Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Weeby Autos. Today we have a gorgeous 1971 Camaro Z28. I got Steve, the owner here, is going to tell us a little bit about it. How you doing, Steve?
Great.
Nice to finally meet you, bro.
You too. Beautiful day.
It really is gorgeous. So tell us about this one.
71 Z28 Camaro.
Yeah.
Real deal.
Yeah, every man's favorite car.
Got a 400 cubic inch engine in it.
Mm-hmm.
Four-wheel disc brakes. Stainless steel exhaust. Headers. Automatic.
Love this color combo, right?
Color is great. Citrus green.
That's what it's called?
Yeah.
Sitting on the rallies, wrapped in BF Goodrich tires. Beautiful stance. As it was, right?
As it was.
The interior really sets it off too.
Yeah. The green interior.
Right? So cool.
Flip.
It's got a mild cam in it, right?
Mild cam.
Turbo 350?
Turbo 400.
400, okay. Man, what a pretty car. And this interior is just fantastic. Showing what, 86,898 miles. Not many miles on the resto, huh, Steve? Custom stereo. Love that horseshoe shifter too. That is cool.
That's what they had back in the day.
Yep. Who would have ever thought this would have been a classic?
Yeah.
Right?
Right.
It's like the cars from my generation too are really coming up. You never know. Let's check out under the hood. It's a custom cowl hood too, huh?
Yeah.
Looks nice. Here she is. 350. Is this the original motor?
No, it's a 400.
Oh, it's a
71
400. Okay, cool.
instead of the 350.
Sounds pretty lumpy too.
Yeah.
Stainless steel headers, power steering, power disc brakes, like he said, 4-wheel. I love the tower clamps, GM hoses and everything. Very correct.
Stainless steel exhaust all the way back.
Mm. Very nice. Steel cowl hood too. I hate when they put glass ones on it, you know? You fire it up? Yeah, it sounds pretty lumpy.
It sounds good, doesn't it?
What kind of horse do you think it has? About 400?
I'd say probably 400.
Yeah. Man, that sounds so good. Stripes are all cleared over. Beautiful straight body. It's got a rear defroster. Kind of a cool option. Beautiful headliner. Man, and this green really goes nice. Super nice dash. Got the rubber mats, very nice touch. Something you generally have to add after the fact. GM seat belts. Stereo's got aux out too, right? Or aux in? Should we go for a quick spin? Yeah, beautiful day out here.
Yeah.
Man, it sounds so good. What kind of mufflers are Flowmasters?
Yeah.
Sound good.
Flowmaster.
Yeah, it feels juicy. Well, guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from Weeby Autos. Give me a call, 631-339-0399. You can also check out our pictures, information, and detail on our main website. It's weebyautos.com. Thanks again for showing us your cars.